going to show a quick assembly video of how the Kaizen platform works. So here's your slide latch. There's a couple of slots in here, and these are the locking pieces that ride on shoulder bolts. Connecting bolts or sex bolts, one in each corner with the short screws. They just get snugged up. If you flush up the outside, it should allow for the proper clearances to allow this latch to work correctly. You can make any adjustments, and then all four corners are snugged up. And we take the 4 feet, place them, drop the screws. Now I take a couple of these jigs, put them in place. This holds everything where it's got to go. Hold the connecting bolts underneath. Again, just snug them up. Make sure they're all in tight. And do one other thing. Throw a little silicone lubricant in these holes. It kind of seals the end grain of the plywood, keeps it a little slick. And the end grain of the plywood really sucks it in, so don't worry about putting in too much. And there you have it, the finished platform. So the one final thing that I do is make sure each platform works properly on the pack-out. And it does. Now I'm ready to ship. Alright, then they get wrapped. Have plenty of scrap Kaizen foam around. Protect the edges. There you have it. Platform ready to go.